Hello, welcome again to the channel, my dear friends. And just cause of cold, my voice is not propagating that much efficient, but I hope you will manage it. So let us start our new topic, pointers to pointer. In a previous lecture, we had learned about what is pointer and how the declaration of pointer can be done. Like today also, I will tell you. So see. In a normal integer, like if I have an integer x, in this part, the integer declaration part. Integer is what? It's a declaration part. Okay, it's a data type as well as entire, all of these things is a declaration of variable x. Similarly, if we want to declare a pointer, then what could we do? We can do like this, integer star p. Like in this example, in a previous example, this x is a variable. Similarly, this p is a variable over here. P is a variable. Okay, and this integer is a declaration part. This thing, it's a declaration. It's a declaration part. Similarly, this integer star, it is a declaration part. It's a declaration part for the pointer. Okay. So I also mention all of these things in our slide, like integer I and integer data type of this I. Similarly, this pointer p is a pointer to integer. How we will read it? P is a pointer to an integer. So this is the data type of this pointer. Again, if we do pointer to an integer, then it is a pointer to an integer. Like we will read it like q is a pointer to an integer. Sim, the data type of this one is integer star star and integer star 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 r. How we will pronounce it? We'll pronounce it like r is a variable, or r is a pointer to integer. Okay, so this is all about our declaration part. In our next video, we will see how we can initialize the values inside these pointers or pointer variables. Okay, thank you very much.